Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'm trying this one which I found in Instagram and I liked it very much and thought to make one for you people out there as a fun project, so enjoy the video. I spoil it. My bad, but wait, I'm gonna redo it.
Viewers, I'm not making same as I have shown. I got the idea from, so hopefully without making mistake this time I'm making.
Well, I finished sketching. Now I got it out with the help of jigsaw. But before that, I thought to drill a hole with this, like right here, here, and here too, so that I can run my jigsaw easily in the process.
Stumbled at the start line, I've done all that I can do, but I'll try again, I'll try again. Stay on the straight and narrow, we'll meet up at the end.
Well, this is almost done. Now I'll make a base where it can stand like this, and then I'll polish.
I'll try again. Stay on the straight and narrow, we'll meet up at the end.
So viewers, this is the finishing piece. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll come with another fine project. Till then, stay tuned, House of IBEX. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook. I gave a link in the description below. Don't forget to check. So thank you for being here. See you in the next video.